Okay, we're gonna wash this brush out. As you can see, there's some paint left over on it. I'm going to first take paper towel or something and really get as much paint out as possible. So I'm like pinching it out, okay? Same thing for my palette. I'm gonna wipe off all the excess paint from my palette. If there was paint all over the handle, I would wipe it off there too. So I'm gonna get as much paint as possible off first with a paper towel, okay? Now, as you can see, there's still paint in the brush. So I'm gonna rinse it out a little like this. Use my hands to sort of get the excess paint out. Then I'm gonna take some soap in my hands and I'm gonna just clean the brush this way. So I'm applying pressure. I'm getting the soap up in all of the bristles. I'm kind of moving it around and around. You can see that the soap is becoming a little colored. That's because it's getting the paint out. You can rinse it out and you can do it again. You don't need a special soap. You can just use hand soap, dish soap, any kind of soap. And like I'm pushing it into the for real here. See this like metal thing? I'm really getting it up there because paint lives in there and it just ruins your brush. So once you rinse it out really well, use your hands to I use warm water too, because you know, warm or hot water, because with cold water, I don't know, it doesn't clean as well. So I'm using my fingers to really get the soap out, get the paint out. Then when I'm done, I go like this with the brush, gets the water out. But it also, if you had a round brush, or you know, had a little tip on it, it would usually make the bristles go back down. Then I take my fingers and shape the brush back to how it's supposed to be. So this will keep your brushes lasting a long time, and then it's ready to be put away. When you rinse your water cup out, which I already did, just make sure you don't have any globs of paint first of all, you shouldn't really have any globs of paint on your brush when you put it in there. Like, you should, as you're painting, wipe off the globs of paint before you rinse it in your water. So when you have your water, it's dirty water, yeah, but you rinse it, you just keep the water running the whole time, because it'll just keep sending water down the pipes and keep it from getting blocked up. This dirty paint water is not gonna mess up your pipes, but chunks of paint will. So don't let if you have chunks of paint in here, you need to clean it out before you go on with your day. Okay, good luck.